Hello everyone, my name is Bobby and I'm just another reactor here on YouTube. And today I'm going to be reacting to X Japan Endless Rain from the last live. And before I get to this reaction, I just want to remind you all to please subscribe to my channel, please like this video, and if you care to support my channel, there's a PayPal link in the description, or you can leave a tip through the Brave browser, which is a cryptocurrency browser. But donations to my channel are not necessary, they're not required. You can watch my videos for free, but any support for this channel is greatly appreciated. Now, in my reaction to No Rain, No Rainbow by Baby Metal, somebody mentioned on there that song, No Rain, No Rainbow, was kind of an homage to this song, Endless Rain by X Japan, and that, the song structure is kind of similar, and that basically it was, I guess, like kind of Baby Metal's tribute to this band and this song. So yeah, that got me curious, so now I'm really looking forward to reacting to this. From what I understand, I hear this band I don't think they're together anymore. They played for many years. I read the story, but that was right after my Baby Metal reaction, so I don't remember all the particulars of it. But like I said, I don't think they're playing anymore. So I'm not sure how old this video is. It was posted in 2015, but that doesn't always necessarily mean that's when the video itself was released. So anyway, I'm going to react to it. So without further ado, this is my reaction to X Japan Endless Rain. Okay, so far this sounds really good. It's a ballad, of course, so it's hard to tell from a ballad like this where it's just predominantly piano playing with vocals, and the guitars and bass are doing very minimal things in the background. It's hard to tell what kind of band they are, whether they're really, really heavy like Baby Metal's music, or if they're just a heavy metal band, kind of like Love Bites or something, or maybe just a rock band or hard rock, who knows. Kind of hard to tell from these ballads just based on the way they look. I would guess they play fairly heavy music or pretty heavy music. The guitar player that has the yellow outfit on with the yellow guitar kind of reminds me, not the way that guitar player looks, just the outfit and the guitar kind of reminds me of Rick Nielsen from Cheap Trick. But yeah, so far this is sounding really good. I could tell it's an old video just by the look of it, and the aspect ratio is, 4:3. So yeah, don't know what else to say about it. Sounds really good. The vocalist sounds really good, but I'm not even halfway through the song yet. So let's see what else they do with it. As most of y'all know who watches my reactions, I like twin guitars, twin lead guitar players trading off solos, doing harmonies. That there was a really cool harmony solo. That just sounded really good. And I like that acrylic piano. That just looks really cool too, and sounds great too. I've said in some of my videos also that I really like the piano, the sound of it, just the instrument. I don't play piano, but it just sounds really good. The guitar player with the Les Paul kind of reminds me a little bit of Jakey Lee, the way he looks. But yeah, this sounds really good. I can see why Baby Metal was inspired to pay homage to this song. Still not even halfway through the song. Man, I can't even imagine what else you're going to do in this ballad. Are they going to pick it up a little and rock out or something? We'll see. Well, that was X Japan with Endless Rain, and that was actually really cool. It says a lot about a band who can write music like that, where just huge crowds like that sing along to the lyrics, and that not a whole lot of bands have that. Where you go see these smaller bands like in clubs and stuff, and they just don't command the crowd as well as big bands like this. A lot of the legendary bands I grew up with, practically every crowd that they play to, most of them know their lyrics, and I just think it says a lot about a band's success when that many people know your songs that well. But yeah, that was really cool. I can see, like I said, why Baby Metal would want to pay homage to a song like this, and I do hear the similarities to No Rain, No Rainbow. I just like the way that they ended that with the crowd singing and just the members walking off the stage while the crowd was still singing. Just really cool. That was a cool performance. That's another band I'm gonna have to look for more music to react to, because that was just cool. And now I want to see what else they do. I want to see if they play heavy music, hard rock, rock and roll, whatever. Just let me know in the comments, I guess. What can I react to from X Japan? I just saw the ending there where it said for more from something or X Japan. I didn't quite catch what the other artist or band was. I don't know if that was the name of an artist or name of a band, or if they're related in any way. But yeah, I'm just gonna have to look for some of that to react to. I hope you all enjoyed this reaction. I just want to remind you all to please subscribe to my channel, and please like this video. And if you care to support my channel, there's a PayPal link in the description, or you can leave a tip through the Brave browser, which is a cryptocurrency browser. But donations to my channel are not necessary. They're not required. You can watch my videos for free, but any support for this channel is greatly appreciated. Thank you all again for watching my reaction to X Japan Endless Rain.